Now I want to show you how to log into Seesaw by using your Clever account. On your Chromebook or iPad, go to clever.com or find the blue square with the letter C inside of it. And then click Log On with Clever badge. Allow access to your camera and find your printed QR code and hold your badge up to the camera. Clever should automatically open. Scroll down until you see the Seesaw icon and click on it. Clicking on Seesaw, it should take you directly to our learning platform. Once you get here, click the light bulb for activities and add response. It's time to complete your activity. Be sure that the tool you're using is your mover finger along the bottom and spell the word family as shown above. This one is street. S-T-R-E-E-T. Once you're finished, be sure you hit the green check to send your activity to me.